Dive into the world of clothing manufacturing. In this video, we will discuss how the clothing manufacturing business works, how to start your own apparel production business, and how to collaborate with vendors. Clothing manufacturing includes numerous operations necessary to make a garment. It includes processes like cutting, sewing, and finishing. The whole manufacturing process breaks down into a number of sub-operations needed for constructing a particular garment. We defined the 5 most important stages. The first step is pre-production. It includes Techpack development, pattern making, fabric sourcing, and sampling. The second step is production planning. At this stage, design teams are communicating with manufacturers, setting prices and quantities, and agreeing on delivery dates. Step 3 is to cut and sew. In this step, factories cut the fabric according to the pattern and prepare the pieces for production. Step 4 is manufacturing. Factories start making a production run and perform quality control. The last step is the delivery of the order to the customer. Factory packs the order and ships them according to the agreement. Collaboration between designers and manufacturers is the foundation of the apparel business. The first time you communicate with each other, you need to have clear expectations of what result you want and how each side will operate together. The process of collaboration between designer and clothing manufacturer can be broken down into 3 stages. The first stage is product development. At this stage, the designer creates a business plan, visualizes an idea, and develops a tech pack. Second stage is pre-production. This stage includes finding a manufacturer to work with, making a production agreement, and creating a sample. The last stage is manufacturing. Managing the production process includes precise planning of the on-time shipments, effective use of labor, and overseeing the needed supplies and equipment for each order. Head over to our blog to learn about each stage in detail, how to find clothing manufacturers and create agreements with them.